Today we are going to discuss the most important topic of SBI banking examination is clause test. Clause test is a very important topic according to the examination point of view. Here we have the notes. Clause test. The word clause is a term derived from clausure in Gestalt theory. The exercise is first described by V.L. Taylor in 1953. A clause test is an exercise, test or assessment consisting of a portion of language with certain items, words or signs removed, where the participant is asked to replace the missing language items. Clause tests require the ability to understand context and vocabulary in order to identify the correct language or speech, part of speech that belongs in deleted passage. Clause test multiple blanks are given within the passage, so it becomes important to understand the entire context of the passage to fill in the blanks appropriately. Type of clause test questions are old, old pattern. A passage is given with the 5-10 blanks and required to choose a word for each blank for the 5 options given in the questions. Second point, new pattern. Along with each passage, a word is given in the bracket. You need to find that if the given word need to be replaced, choose the suitable option as your replacement. Otherwise, choose the option none of these option, no changes required. Important topic for clause test solution. Read the passage, go through the passage once and highlight the keywords to get an idea of the topic. Analyze them of the passage. Once you highlight the keywords, it becomes easier to understand the theme of the paragraph. Be mindful of the supporting. Connector plays a key roles in choosing the correct word. Supporting connectors indicate that the context of the two statements or clauses is similar. The next point is eliminate options. After the process, analyze the whole paragraph and connector. Eliminate the option which do not abide by them. Choose the correct contextual meaning. A word may have multiple meanings, so it is important to understand the contextual usage of the word. Thus, we can easily solve the two clause paragraph by following these steps and tricks in the examination. Clause test is a very important topic according to the examination point of views of the banking examination. According to this process, we can eliminate the options like none of this and choose the correct option for the blanks. Thank you. I hope you like this video, which is very beneficial and very important according to the examination point of view, and you can understand all the blanks and the paragraph themes by the analyzation process by read and read again.